I have something crazy to share with you guys. Really good for content, but not good for my bank account. These laptops are on high demand right now. 4 days after I originally ordered it, I have the package right here, man. I still can't believe I got my hands on one of these. So I've been needing a laptop for a while now, especially now being a dad. Obviously, sometimes I have to take trips so my son can see his other grandparents. Also, being a YouTuber, I do plan on doing a lot more traveling. But with that said, I was going to purchase a laptop about a month or two ago until I heard the rumor that Nvidia was coming out with the 30 series laptops. And then just a few weeks ago, they actually officially announced them. So what better timing for me to go ahead and purchase myself a laptop. Today, as you guys can see, is January 25th, 2021. The 30 series laptops are officially coming out tomorrow as of the 26th, and there's so many different options. There's the 3070 and the 3080, which is what I'm personally looking at because I definitely want something that can stream and record while I'm playing at the same time. But after doing some extensive research this past 2 hours, I have finally come down to what I'm personally going to be getting myself, and it's either one or the other. I'm actually looking at this Gigabyte Aorus 15G 15.5 inch Full HD 240 hertz display. It comes with an i7 10870H 2.2 gigahertz, 32 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD with a RTX 3080, 8 gigabytes for only $2,000, which honestly, dude, this is the best deal I've found. I've looked throughout so many different websites where you can actually cop and purchase these right now. But that being said, the second option that I did find was this MSI GE76 Raider. Just by looking at it, we can tell the difference. It looks way better. This one is 17.3 inches, so it is bigger, 300 hertz, 61 hertz as opposed to the 240. Same processor, same amount of RAM, same 1 terabyte SSD. The thing is, the catch on this one is it does have a 3070 instead of a 3080, and this one is 2.3K as opposed to the 2K. Now a lot of you guys might be like, dude, well, that's a no-brainer. Why don't you just go ahead and get the $2,000 one if it's literally a better graphics card? Now, yes, as that might be true, the thing about this, in my opinion, is this right here. If you guys see, the screen's a little bit suspended with these two latches here as opposed to this. It's a more barred out type suspension. This seems a lot more safe to me as opposed to this. This seems like something that can break way easier. That's kind of a little turn off to me, I guess you could say. That's like a to me. The more expensive one has a way better design as well. It does have LEDs in the front, which look very nice, as opposed to this one just looks kind of like a working station, a straightforward performance laptop. Now, that's not really anything bad for me. I honestly do not care about the look, but I have made my decision. I personally myself just think that since it is the 3088 gigabytes, it wouldn't be that big of a difference with the 3078 gigabytes. But yes, of course, the 3080 is significantly better. But I am running a 3070 right now on my desktop while recording this, and I can literally record, stream, and play a Cyberpunk 2077 at the same time. So while the 3080 would be the better option, I just think it wouldn't really make that much of a difference, especially it being a laptop. Now, one other thing to keep in mind as well is that this laptop is something that I kind of want to introduce gaming to my fiance with. She didn't grow up gaming or anything like that, so maybe here and there we'll make, I don't know, videos on, I don't know, maybe Minecraft or something like that, some easy games to where maybe she can get into gaming and be on the channel with me. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, though, I have made my decision. They're both very good deals, to be 100% with you guys. So I personally am gonna be going with the Gigabyte Aorus 15G. Let's get it popping, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and pre-order this as of right now, and hopefully it does end up shipping out as of tomorrow. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we have purchased the Gigabyte Aorus 15G. We've placed the order. I'm super freaking hyped for this, guys. And now we wait.
Day 2.
All right, guys, so quick update. It is January 26, 2021. The next day, the laptops have officially launched, as you guys can see right here, and a lot of them are actually going out of stock. The Gigabyte Aorus 15G that I ordered myself, which was the cheapest at 3080 option we had, actually went out of stock. With that in mind, my order is still here, but as you guys can see, it says back order ordered. So unfortunately, it did not ship as I expected it today. It is in back order, meaning that the next shipment of stock that they receive, I will get my unit. But with that being said, I have something crazy to share with you guys. Really good for content, but not good for my bank account. What I ended up doing, guys, is I actually ordered both laptops. Yes, that's right. If we can scroll up here on my orders, it says the MSI GE76 Raider and the Gigabyte Aorus 15G. I ordered both of them. I'm not just purchasing these like that. What's gonna happen is what I'm doing, because obviously these laptops are on high demand right now. What I want to make sure is I at least lock on one of these laptops. So what I ended up doing is, in case the Gigabytes, you guys can see how it's in back order, in case it just goes completely out of stock and Adorama does not receive any more shipments of these laptops, I want to make sure I at least have a chance of getting the GE76 Raider. One of these products gets shipped, whichever gets shipped first, that's what I'm going to go with, just so I can have security that I will be receiving one of these laptops. We're going to go ahead and wait for the shipment to arrive, and you guys will see which laptop I end up getting. So whenever one gets charged, I'm gonna cancel the other. So I'm not spending no $5 grand on freaking laptops. I wish I could just like that and maybe give it away or something, but unfortunately I'm not there yet. With that in mind, ladies and gentlemen, let me know down in the comment section below right now which one you think I will get, if it's the Gigabyte or the GE76 Raider. Just wanted to go ahead and update you guys on that, and now we wait.
Eventually.
What's good, guys? So it is about 4 days after I originally ordered it. I have the package right here, man. Definitely very excited. This is way bigger than I expected the package to be. Let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Definitely very excited. My birthday is in 1 day, as of February 3rd. Not too sure when this video is going up, but this is basically my birthday gift to myself. Definitely freaking excited, dude. Let's open this bad boy up. I'm so hard, man. Woo. Let's check this out. Way smaller than this actual box. Good for safety though. It's very well packaged. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the MSI, bro. I'm so hyped. You guys are actually gonna be mind blown right now because of what I said I originally ordered. But let's just go ahead and open this bad boy up, man. Trying to freaking cut myself. Another MSI box, and then a box that says True Gaming. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Ooh, this box right here, this looks like the real deal. I still can't believe I got my hands on one of these. The new RTX 30 series laptop, dude. Ooh, special little packaging going on here. Okay, straight to the point. Let's see what else they bring before we get into the main thing. Just you know, boring manuals, construction manuals. We know how to use a laptop, dude. Watch there be something I actually need to read on the manual. We got the power brick for the charger. There we go. Pretty self-explanatory. It's a laptop. That's all we need. Let's get right into it, boys. I cannot believe I got my hands on one of these 30 series laptops. Dude, I've been saving up for a laptop for a while because, like I said in the beginning of the video, I've been needing one for trips, and I just waited for the right moment. Ladies and gentlemen, oh, that feels so nice. Let's take it out, dude. Oh my goodness gracious, dude. It's nice and cold how it should be, dude. Very, very high quality. And there should be the LEDs right here, dude. There's an LED strip right here that we're gonna go ahead and check out when we boot it up. Check it out, bro. The build on this thing is insane. You guys can see right here, we have a USB 3.0 over here with the USB-C as well. We also have some vents and stuff like that. In the back, we also have some ports. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, oh my goodness, the 300 hertz display, guys. Check this out, guys. Oh my goodness gracious. Blazing fast 300 hertz gaming display. Not even my actual gaming monitor. That's insane. You guys can see, dude, check this cloth out. Usually this is like a plastic type protector. Bro, this is nice. This is something you keep. That's how you know the company cares about their products, guys. But with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, oh my goodness gracious. We have right there, you can see it. SteelSeries keyboard. I'm super excited about that. And the GeForce RTX Nvidia sticker. So let me explain something right now about this bad boy. So originally I was gonna order either the Aorus Gigabyte with the 3080, that was a 15-inch, or a 17-inch GE76 Raider. Now the reason I ended up going with the GE66 Raider, which is a 15-inch, is because I ended up realizing a few things. So the Gigabyte Aorus did have a 3080, and the reason I ended up not waiting for that on backstock was because the 3080 was max Q, which means it's made for max quiet. It's not the best performance the GPU can give you. So the 3080 was pretty much gonna be, I guess, performing like a 3070 with max P, which is max performance, which is what this bad boy has. It has a 3070 max performance. It is a thicker laptop than the Gigabyte I was gonna end up getting, which means that there's more breathing room for the components inside, meaning that obviously the cooler the components stay, the better the laptop can run itself. And the reason I also ended up going with this one instead of the 17-inch was because the display, this display, you can look at it from any angle and you'll see what is on the image, but on the 17-inch, I realized the display was actually, I guess, lower quality or whatever, different technology. So this 15-inch ended up being the same price as the 17-inch. Another thing is also, I feel like 15-inch is literally all I need. They're more portable. They fit in any backpack with no problem. That's why I ended up going with this one. It ended up costing, with tax, was about 2.4K. Definitely an investment. Always grinding 24/7, especially now with no excuses. I have a bad boy, I have a 3070 series laptop in my possession, bro. I still cannot believe I got this, bro. Ladies and gentlemen, I got the charger set up, we have it connected, and we're gonna go ahead and boot it up for the first time ever. Ooh, look at that LED, look at the strip. Gotta love the aesthetics. The display looks so nice, dude. I thought this was gonna be way brighter, which I thought was gonna be kind of annoying, but in reality, like if you're here, this is not annoying at all, like whatsoever. We have the, oh my god, the RGB freaking keyboard, dude. I've never had a gaming laptop in my life. I've had laptops before, but never a like full-on gaming one. And oh my goodness, this is just beautiful. A SteelSeries keyboard. Oh, that feels so nice. Okay, now I gotta, of course, set up my Windows and all that, so I'll be right back. And just like that, guys, I have everything installed. Basically, all I really want on here is Warzone, Cold War, and Fortnite, just the games to make content on. I already customed it and everything, so it kind of looks like a version of my desktop as well. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and launch a game here, and we're gonna go ahead and check out how the 300 hertz looks. All right, guys, so I installed Cold War. We're gonna get a bit of gaming action and get the juices going on the new gaming laptop. I do have my Xbox Series X controller connected. We do have the FPS counter going, and hopefully we get some good frame rate. It looks like it's staying at a steady 100, which isn't too bad. I do have some high settings on and whatnot, so looks really good, to be honest. We're not recording or anything like that. Dang, honestly, we're hitting 130, 140 FPS. That's freaking amazing, dude, for a laptop, to be honest. I do plan on doing maybe some streaming and recording and stuff like that here. I don't know if my fiance ever gets into gaming, then she can start off with at least this laptop, dude. It's definitely very powerful. Guys, I also wanted to point out the fact that on this laptop, we do have the webcam on top, and if I would have gotten the Gigabyte, the webcam was actually positioned at the bottom at a very awkward space, in my opinion. I do not like that angle whatsoever, so I'm definitely very happy that the webcam is on top. And you guys can actually take a look at the webcam quality. Is actually pretty freaking impressive. I was planning to maybe take my C920 on the road, since I do have the A6400 for the stationary setup, but man, I don't think I'm gonna need to be honest. This does really well, and I'm definitely very excited. But with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I'm definitely very content with my GE66 Raider. Oh man, and the 300 hertz, don't even get me started. It looks really freaking good when gaming. Yeah man, I can't wait to use this bad boy for a on-the-go workstation, whether it be streaming, editing, recording, whatever it is we might do, dude. I cannot wait to put this bad boy to use. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's unboxing. Make sure to go ahead and drop a like if you guys did, smash that subscribe button with those post notifications turned on if you guys have not already. Check out all my social media down below in the description box, my shorts channel, my streaming channel, my family channel, everything, dude. So much content this freaking year. Bangers on bangers on bangers, bruh. Definitely stay tuned for more. And with that being said, hopefully you guys did enjoy. Shout out to everybody, because you guys are the reason I can do things like that, man. This took me a long time to save save up for, and I'm definitely so freaking excited, man. And yes, I've been spending a lot of money lately. I have one last thing that's a huge purchase, probably the most exciting purchase for this YouTube channel for this year, coming very soon, man. Definitely waiting for that, and I cannot wait for it to come in. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Have a good rest of your day, and as always, I'll catch you guys later. Virux out. Peace.